What's up, my YouTube family? So I know lately me and Michaela have not been doing our Mary mukbang. Sorry about that. But I am working on other stuff for the channel. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I look so tired. It is like getting late. What time is it? It is 11 o'clock here at night, and I've been up since about 7 because I had to get my child to school about 7 something. So I got a message. Alright, so I got some new products, you guys, that I'm using. I'm no longer using the Fenty. I'm just going to tell you now. It was just so orange. It was making me look so orange that I decided to give it to my mom because it matches her better. She's more red than I am. More of like a golden to neutral undertone. And especially in the wintertime. Way more neutral in the winter. So I still have my black radiance, and that's what I will be using today. But I do have some new foundation coming, so don't fret. And most people don't do their brows on here, but today I am. So I actually have this from Milani. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on, it's not really focused. Okay, it's the dark brown. It's from Milani. I don't think you can really see that either, but that's okay. It is what it is. It comes with this brush. So what I'm going to do is, this is what it looks like. I've been using it, obviously. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to open this that I have. I think you saw this before. I'm not sure if you have. If you haven't, but got the mattifying powder, pressed powder from Urban Decay. So I'm just going to brush my brows out like so. I got a couple hairs that ain't doing right. I got a piece of lace sticking out right there. I'm going to have to push down. That's okay. Alright, so I got my brow brushed out. It works so much better when you get your brows done. Trust and believe me. It's wonderful once you get your brows done. So, yeah, I got my brows done. I got them threaded for like $8. I was like, wait, what? How much? So I should really just take this and fill it in my brows. I don't even do the whole outline and doing all that stuff since I got my brows done. I just fill in the middle. See? And then I brush it. Brow done. It still looks so natural. It's just a little darker. See? So I do the same thing with the other eye. I gotta get my setup better, y'all. I know it's not the best. This eye does something weird. It's shaped weird. My brow is, because I don't even go all the way to the inside. But that's just the way my brow is shaped. Done. See? Quick and easy. So then I take this LA Girl Pro in the color Almond, because fawn is, I have no idea what color that fawn is. I'm not even gonna lie. It's on camera, on some people it looks red, and then on other people it looks yellow, and I just take almond and do what I need to do. Push it up. I go up under my eye with the almond. And then do. on my eyelid also. Alright, other eye. I use this on my eye. I just do my brows first. Okay, that was the almond. This is the toast. It goes above my eye. Hold on, where is it? Come out. Okay. It might come out, but don't come out everywhere. I'm done with my brows. Like, I like to go ahead and get my brows done first. I got a new brush from Wet n Wild. It's a foundation brush, actually, but I use it for concealer. Because it works best. Because I'm sorry, this little bitty brush is not going to work to put foundation all over my face. So I use it for my concealer with my brows. And I use this concealer to like basically prime my eye lids also. I think I just want to do just the eyes for you guys today. Nah, I'll do it all. Alright, just pull it down like so. My child's playing Christmas music. Hopefully it's not too loud. Because I would like to not get copyrighted. And she's singing it. Okay, singing Chris Brown this Christmas. I don't know, one eyebrow always looks better than the other. That's just how I feel. One eyebrow looks better than the other. This one does something weird. I think it's the art, my natural arch does something weird. My natural arch does something really weird on this side. It's okay. We're gonna work with it. Sure. Oh, let me open my mirror back up. I don't know what I'm doing. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup powder and set my eyelids using this brush here. Don't ask me what it is. I'm just using it to set my lids, honey. Since I've put concealer on them. So I have actually been watching Jackie Aina And she'd be like, jacket, 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 jacket. It's stuck in my head, y'all. Like, I cannot get that out of my head. Like, all I hear is jacket, 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 jacket. Okay, anyway.